Hungary is a landlocked country in Central Europe. It's a place where history comes alive. The country boasts beautiful landscapes. From rolling hills to sparkling lakes, there's something for everyone. Hungary also has a rich culture with delicious food and lively music. Hungary is a great place to visit any time of year. In spring, the wildflowers are in bloom. Summer brings warm weather and festivals. Autumn is a time for harvest celebrations. And in winter, you can enjoy cozy cafes and Christmas markets. Whether you're interested in history, culture, or nature, Hungary has something to offer you. Come and discover the magic of this fascinating country. Budapest, the capital of Hungary, is a city that beautifully blends history and modernity. It is uniquely divided by the majestic Danube River, creating two distinct halves. On one side lies Buda, the hilly and historic district, known for its medieval architecture and tranquil atmosphere. On the other side is Pest, the flat and bustling heart of the city, filled with vibrant nightlife, shopping, and cultural landmarks. Start your Budapest adventure at Buda Castle, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This grand palace not only offers stunning views of the city, but also houses the Hungarian National Gallery and the Budapest History Museum. Walk across the iconic Chain Bridge, a 19th century suspension bridge that elegantly connects Buda and Pest. Explore the Fisherman's Bastion with its fairy tale turrets, offering panoramic views of the Danube and the city. Don't miss Matthias Church, a masterpiece of Hungarian Gothic architecture with its stunningly intricate roof tiles and beautiful interior. In the evening, unwind in one of Budapest's famous thermal baths, a tradition dating back to Roman times. The Széchenyi Baths, with its grand neo-Baroque architecture, and the Gellért Baths, known for its Art Nouveau style, are two popular options. The thermal waters are said to have healing properties, making them a perfect way to relax and rejuvenate after a day of exploring the city. Budapest has so much more to offer beyond the main landmarks. Visit Heroes Square, a grand plaza honoring Hungarian heroes. Stroll down Andrássy Avenue, a glamorous boulevard lined with shops and cafes. Catch a performance at the Hungarian State Opera House. This opulent theater is known for its beautiful acoustics. For a unique experience, visit the Great Market Hall. This bustling indoor market is a feast for the senses, with vendors selling everything from fresh produce to souvenirs. And of course, no trip to Budapest would be complete without a taste of Hungarian cuisine. Try some goulash, a hearty meat stew, or Lángos, a deep-fried flatbread. Just a short drive from Budapest, you'll find Lake Balaton, the largest lake in Central Europe. Known as the Hungarian Sea, Lake Balaton is a popular destination for swimming, sunbathing, and sailing. The southern shore is home to shallow waters and lively resort towns. The northern shore offers deeper waters, picturesque vineyards, and charming villages. Visit the Tihany Peninsula, a scenic area with lavender fields and Benedictine Abbey ruins. Explore the Balaton Uplands National Park, with its volcanic hills and hiking trails. Sample the local wines, including the crisp whites from the Balaton Fjord Kőpak region. Section 5. Eger, where history meets wine country. Eger is a charming town in northern Hungary, known for its well-preserved Baroque architecture and its rich history. Visit Eger Castle, which played a key role in defending Hungary from Ottoman invaders in the 16th century. Explore the town's network of underground cellars, where local winemakers have been producing wine for centuries. Soak in the healing waters of Eger's thermal baths, including the Turkish bath dating back to the 16th century. Stroll through the historic city center, admiring the colorful Baroque buildings and charming squares. And don't leave without trying Egri Bikaver, a full-bodied red wine known as bull's blood. Section 6. Pécs, a city of ancient treasures. Pécs, located in southern Hungary, is a city with a rich history dating back to Roman times. This city is a treasure trove of ancient wonders and modern delights, offering a unique blend of the past and the present. Visit the Cathedral of St. Peter, a stunning example of Romanesque architecture. This magnificent structure, with its intricate designs and historical significance, stands as a testament to the city's rich cultural heritage. Explore the Zsolnai Cultural Quarter, a former ceramics factory transformed into a vibrant cultural center. Here you can immerse yourself in the arts, enjoy performances, and learn about the city's industrial past. Discover the early Christian tombs, a UNESCO World Heritage Site dating back to the 4th century AD. These ancient burial sites offer a fascinating glimpse into the early Christian community and their way of life. Wander through the charming streets of the old town, admiring the colorful buildings and cozy cafes. The old town's vibrant atmosphere and picturesque scenery make it a perfect place to relax and soak in the local culture. Visit the Museum of Modern Hungarian Gallery for a glimpse into the country's contemporary art scene. This museum showcases a diverse collection of modern artworks, reflecting Hungary's rich artistic traditions and innovative spirit. And of course, sample the local wines from the Villany wine region, known for its full-bodied reds. The region's vineyards and wine cellars offer a delightful experience for wine enthusiasts, making it a must-visit for anyone exploring Pécs. Section 7. A Taste of Hungary, Goulash, Lángos, and Tokaji. Hungary's culinary landscape is a rich tapestry of flavors and traditions that reflect its vibrant culture and history. No trip to Hungary would be complete without experiencing the local cuisine. The country's food is a delightful blend of hearty, savory, and sweet dishes that will tantalize your taste buds. Start with a bowl of goulash, a hearty meat stew seasoned with paprika, onions, and caraway. This iconic dish is a staple in Hungarian households and is often enjoyed during family gatherings and special occasions. Try Lángos, a deep-fried flatbread typically topped with sour cream, garlic, and cheese. This popular street food is perfect for a quick snack or a light meal, and you can find it at markets and festivals across the country. Sample the local sausages, including csabai kolbász, which is a spicy sausage, and gyulai kolbász, a smoked sausage. These sausages are often enjoyed with mustard and fresh bread, making for a satisfying and flavorful experience. For a sweet treat, indulge in a slice of dobos tort, a layered cake with chocolate buttercream and caramel. This decadent dessert is a favorite among locals and visitors alike, and its unique texture and flavor are sure to leave a lasting impression. And of course, no Hungarian meal is complete without a glass of Tokaji wine. This renowned wine has been enjoyed by royalty and connoisseurs for centuries. This sweet dessert wine is made from grapes affected by noble rot and is known for its rich, honeyed flavor. The unique production process and the region's climate contribute to the wine's distinctive taste, making it a true gem of Hungarian viticulture. Section 8. Practical tips for your Hungarian adventure. Getting around Hungary is easy and affordable. The country has a well-developed public transportation system, including trains, buses, and boats. Budapest has an extensive metro system, making it easy to explore the city. English is widely spoken in tourist areas, but it's always helpful to learn a few basic Hungarian phrases. The currency in Hungary is the Hungarian forint, or HUF. You can exchange currency at banks, exchange bureaus, or withdraw cash from ATMs. Hungary is a relatively affordable travel destination, especially compared to other European countries. Accommodation, food, and transportation are all reasonably priced. Section 9. Until next time, Hungary. Hungary is a country that will capture your heart and leave you wanting more. From the grand boulevards of Budapest to the tranquil shores of Lake Balaton, there's something for everyone in this fascinating country. Whether you're interested in history, culture, nature, or simply want to enjoy delicious food and wine, Hungary has it all. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and get ready to discover the magic of Hungary for yourself.